Hello, my name is Julie and welcome to my channel. And in this video it is a crochet tutorial on how to make this cute little frilly scarf. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, I am starting to make my frilly scarf. I already started a foundation chain. Your foundation chain, the number of chains doesn't matter. You just keep making chains until it's as long as you want it. And for my yarn, I have 3 really lightweight yarns held together. These are Summer Nights by Lion Brand. And the hook size I am using is a size G. So we're just going to make a chain, and you make your foundation chain as long as you want. The number doesn't matter. So I will get back with you on what to do next after I make my foundation chain. Okay, I have finished making my foundation chain. I couldn't even tell you how many chains I made. It was long enough to fit around my neck, and it's at length I would like it. What we're going to do next is in the 7th chain from the hook, 4, 5, 6, 7, we're going to do a double crochet. We're going to chain 3, and in the next chain do a double crochet. Chain 3, and double crochet in the next stitch. And you're going to keep doing that until you reach the very end of the foundation chain. And I'll meet up with you and I'll let you know what to do next. Okay, I'm at the end of the row, and I ended with a double crochet. So now what we're going to do is chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Return. We're going to do a double crochet in that very first double crochet. Chain 3. Do another double crochet in that same double crochet. Chain 3. Do one more double crochet in top of that first double crochet. We're going to chain 3. Do a double crochet in the next double crochet. Chain 3. Do another double crochet in that same double crochet. Chain 3. And do one more double crochet in that same double crochet. Then, yeah, you're going to repeat that in every double crochet across. So that is chain 3, do a double crochet now in the next one, next double crochet, chain 3, double crochet again in that same double crochet, chain 3, and one more double crochet in that same double crochet. So you're doing a chain 3 double crochet 3 times in every double crochet, and you're going to repeat that across until you get to the end. Okay, I have reached the end, and we're just going to finish up with a chain 3 double crochet 3 times in that turning chain. So we did a double, so we did a chain 3 double crochet, take 3 double crochet, and we're ending what we just did into the turning chain. And that's it. We're going to finish that off, and our project is going to be done. There you have my frilly scarf tutorial. If you did like this video, please give it a like. And if you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. And I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.